Hi everybody and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to look at accessing attributes, but first there's something that I want to do which I neglected to do in our last lecture, and that is add a comment to the code we added. So creating an instance of our book class. There we go. Make sure we know what we're doing at each step through this course. To access the attributes of an instance, you use dot notation. So what does that look like? Well, it looks like this. My book dot name, or it could be my book dot price, or dot publisher, or any other attribute that we have. Now if we ran that now, nothing happens. So how do we put that into something that actually works and gives us information back? Well, let's just remove that for the moment. So we say print, and let's just say, what are we doing? We are reading. So I'm currently reading plus my book, close our quotes first, plus my book dot name dot title. Okay, and our brackets for a title, plus full stop. Now let's see what that gives us. There we go. I'm currently reading Elon Musk. This syntax demonstrates how Python finds an attribute's value. Python looks at the instance myBook and then finds the attribute name associated with myBook. This is the same attribute referred to as self.name in the class book. So up here we have self.name, self.price, self.publisher. So you can really see the power of classes starting to come out on their own. We created one instance of a book, and now we've used that instance here, mybook.name. This could be mybook.price. Let's add in another sentence. Print this book cost, and let's leave our quote there, plus my book dot price, and because price is an integer we need to just first make this a string, so str brackets plus full stop. There we go, and close our brackets. Let's run this again. This book cost, coast. So where have I got that? There we go. Wouldn't be a Tony program without a spelling error. This book cost $14.99, and we can even put in a $sign here. Dollars. This book cost $14.99. There we go. So you can really see the power of the attributes coming out here when we're accessing them. Now, in the next lecture, we're going to look at how to call our methods and how we can give our class even more power and our programs even more power. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.